When searching for GRC positions, what do you type in for optimal results? Let's go to good old handy dandy Indeed.com. This will also work with LinkedIn. You can also do this on Google, by the way. Google's an awesome search engine for jobs. So let's say you want a GRC position. Now, as I discussed, GRC is a very broad term. It covers auditing, information management, information system control management, ISOs. So let's start off with an ISO. An ISO is within the GRC role. So this is one thing you could type in for optimal results. Another thing you could type in, if you happen to be a manager type person, ISSM. These are managers of ISSOs. Another thing you could type in, auditing is also within the GRC roles. You could type in assessor, SCA. An SCA is also within the GRC roles. And as you can see, other things are popping up. People don't always use ISSO. People don't, for as far as the role title, they don't always use SCA. They don't always use assessor. Sometimes they use the term auditor. This one's a cybersecurity independent assessment analyst. This one is a cybersecurity analyst with Booz Allen Hamilton. This one's a cybersecurity specialist. These are all terms that are within GRC for optimal results. Here's another one. You could type in compliance because that's also within GRC. Yeah, see how it's popping up? It's already popping up. It's already populating. That means there's jobs for that particular thing. ISO. See how ISO keeps coming up? ISO's like one of the best terms because that's what the government's now calling people for this particular position. But compliance officer, another ISO, emergency management specialist, these are all GRC type roles. So I hope that answers that question. GRC is a very broad term. So it covers many different positions.